I'm investing 100,000 naira into stocks using the Trove app. And here's the twist. One of you watching this video right now stands a chance to win a part of these shares. Now, from setting up the app to making real-time trades, I'm going to be breaking it all down step by step, risking my own money so you don't have to. Will this be the best decision of my life? Or will this be 100,000 naira mistake? Stick around to find out. And don't miss your chance to win big. But before that, let me ask you, have you ever thought of investing in Nigerian stocks, but you felt like you were jumping into fire, all the risks and no idea what you're doing? If that's the case, well, hi, I'm Bozo Martin, your new financial crash test dummy. I test out financial instruments, investment platforms, and tools with my own money so you don't have to. It's kind of like being your financial stunt double. I'm the one jumping in and taking the hits, at least to make sure the bulletproof vest is working. So, if you've ever been curious about any investment platform, but you don't want your money to disappear, faster than Nigerian politicians after making campaign promises, you're in the right place. Just hit the subscribe button, drop a comment for me down below on the investment platform or the app you want me to try out, and let me be your guinea pig. Don't forget to hit the bell icon also to get my updates. It's like a doorbell for opportunities. Now let's get into it. So I'm using the Trove app, and as I said, I'm buying 100,000 naira worth of stocks. No fluff, no long stories. Well, maybe a little bit of dry jokes here and there. But aside that, straight to the point. Now, I've already been making use of the app for quite a while now, so I'm just going to be showing you everything from setting up the account to placing an order so you can see how it works. And don't worry, I will hold your hand, figuratively speaking, all through the journey step by step. First, I downloaded the app and signed up. Pretty straightforward stuff. Here's what I had to do. I entered my email, my phone number, nationality, and I created my password. An OTP arrived in my email faster than my village uncle asking for a loan. And just like that, my account was open. Voila. But wait, though, it didn't end there. I still had to do my KYC verification and my BVN authentication. Now, here's a quick tip. If you sign up using my referral link in the description box, not only do you support my channel tremendously, but you also stand a chance to win, as I said, 10,000 naira worth of the stocks I'm buying in this video. Think of it as a win-win, just like eating jollof rice and finding out that there was meat hidden under. Good times. Okay, once I got in, I noticed that Trove has three main portfolios: the US stocks portfolio for buying American stocks, the Nigerian stocks portfolio for people like me who believe in buying Nigeria to grow Nigeria, and the fixed income portfolio, aka the boring but reliable sibling of the investment family. Okay, and here's the kicker. They also have a demo account for newbies. This is a good opportunity. You get to practice with fake money before putting your real cash. Very useful. Okay, to fund my account, I tap on the Nigerian portfolio. Here I can see my assets total value, the returns so far, and all the other numbers that made me wish I paid attention back in school during math class. Now comes the choice of card payment or bank transfer. Now, in my experience, bank transfer is slow but cheaper fees. Card payment, on the other hand, is fast but way higher fees. And the only thing I hate more than high fees is high blood pressure. So I go with bank transfer because I like my fees low and my BP lower. After following the prompts, my account is funded. Now comes the fun part, or for some people, the terrifying part: investing. I search for a company named Ella Lakes PLC, ticker symbol Ella Lakes. But let me be clear, I didn't pick this stock randomly like I pick snacks at the supermarket. I did my research. Seriously, treating the stock market like a buffet is a guaranteed way to end up broke and bitter. So plan your trade and trade your plans. At least I know that's what I am going to be doing. Now after that, here's what I do. I tap on Ella Lakes and I hit buy. After that, I am to choose between market order, which is buying at the current market price, and limit order, where I get to set my own price. They both have their upsides and downsides. In market order, you are buying at whatever price the market is selling at that point, which is most likely going to be higher than the quoted price. But on the upside, your order gets filled relatively fast. For the limit order, however, you get to set your own price, preferably a price lower than the current quoted price, or you can even put at the quoted price. The upside is that there is no fluctuation in price. You buy at the specific price that you quoted, but then the downside is that there is no guarantee your order will be filled, because for that price you're willing to buy for, there has to be someone at the other end willing to sell for at that price. So if there is no match, the trade cancels and you have to keep trying till your order is filled. Regardless, I pick limit order because I like being in control of my finances. Call it control issues or simply smart investing, your choice. I enter my preferred price and I review the cost breakdown, because hidden fees are like cockroaches. They come anytime, anywhere. After that, I place my order. Oh yes, now here's the catch. The Nigerian stock market operates from 9 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Mondays to Fridays. So if I place an order outside these hours, it has to wait till the market reopens. Now after a few hours, my trade was filled, and I officially now have my first stock in what I am calling my crash test portfolio. This is just the beginning of the journey, where I am aiming to grow this portfolio from 100,000 to 100 million naira. Ambitious? Maybe. Crazy? Probably. But with consistent investments, compound interest, and a bit of luck. Okay, a lot of luck. I think it's doable, especially considering that my initial investment of 139,000 2 years ago has more than tripled its value with no other added capital. So I'm pretty sure of my chances. After all, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. Albert Einstein said so, no be me talk am. And if the two greatest minds, Einstein and Warren Buffett, swore by that, let's just say I'm not smart enough to argue with them. Oh, and don't forget the giveaway. I'm saying it for the third time. I am giving away 10,000 naira worth of these shares to one lucky commenter. Think of it as my way of saying thanks for watching my financial experiments. The winner will be announced in the next video, so don't miss it. Until next time, happy investing, and remember, the stock market is a lot like life, full of ups, downs, and the occasional plot twists. I'll see you in the next one.